Alright, y'all, I don't want to be mean, but like I said, I'm going to be honest with you guys. This next one's probably going to shock you guys. I don't know. I feel like this is for white people. Like, I hate to say this because I feel like it's going to bite me in the butt one of these days. But what's up, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, y'all, I actually have some hair products today that I'll be showing you that didn't agree with my natural hair. Are you guys ready to see? So this is not necessarily an empties video because these products are not empty. Most of them are actually full, but I've used them once or twice and they just didn't agree with my natural hair. And that can be for a variety of reasons. So before I even start to show you guys what products that didn't work for me, I want to explain to you it doesn't have anything to do with the brand. It's just maybe the ingredients. I may have not liked the price. There may have been how it was formulated. Like, there's a lot of different reasons why products don't work for your natural hair. It just may have not agreed with my hair. It may have flaked or caused irritation. There's tons of reasons why hair products may not work for your natural hair. And it's not to bash the brand or talk bad about the brand, but I am going to be transparent with my audience and I'm going to let you guys know what products work for me and don't work for me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start showing you guys what products didn't work in my hair. I have about 10 here that we're going to be going over today, so strap on in, friend, because we're about to get going. Oh, and by the way, different background. Yes, I am not home, y'all, but that does not mean the YouTube video stopped. The show must go on, so let's go. All right, I'm just going to start randomly pulling stuff out the bag. Okay, y'all, so here's the first one. This is called Rehab. I actually never heard of this brand before. I saw them at Sally Beauty and I picked them up because I never heard of them and they looked interesting. And this is their tea tree and green tea shampoo and conditioner. It's a 2-in-1. So I mean, it really caught my eye for it to be a 2-in-1 conditioner, but baby, I use something called the Yuka app, y'all, and I have it on screen here. It's called Yuka app, and I highly recommend that you download it. All you have to do is scan the barcode of any beauty product or food and it will pop up a rating out of 0 through 100, and it will break down the ingredients that are bad and tell you why the ingredients in this specific product is bad. And that's exactly what happened. I went ahead and I scanned this barcode in the Yuka app and the rating came up very, very poor. So this is what the Yuka app looks like. I talk about it so much on my channel. It's like that little carrot right there. Go download it. It's called Yuka. And once you download it, you'll be able to scan the barcode. And you can see that the rating is right there. It's literally a 0 out of 10, y'all. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the rating is a 0 out of 10. This product is so bad for you, and it will come up with the list of ingredients on why it's bad. That is why this is in the no-go list, because it's a 0 out of 10 rating, and that's just something that I'm not going to be using on my natural hair. So this actually really needs to go back to Sally Beauty, but I don't have the receipt, so I don't know if I can return it. So comment below if you know if you can return things to Sally Beauty without a receipt, because this is a no. This is a no. Alright, so that was the first one. The next one I have here with me, it's actually a pretty popular brand. I don't know if it's popular in the natural hair community, but they do cater to all hair types. This is the Jvn Complete Air Dry Cream. Here's how it looks, y'all. Okay, so this is the Jvn Air Dry Cream. I don't know, I feel like this is for white people. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, this did nothing for my natural hair. And even when I go on their website or on their Instagram, it's very diverse, but like, I don't know, I just feel like their brand is more catered towards white people. Like, I just don't know. I don't think that this works for black people, or it just didn't work for me. It didn't do anything for me. And it even says like air dry cream. I think of something that's very light and airy, and I need heavier, more oil-based products in my hair. I don't need light products in my hair. People who need light and airy products tend to have finer hair, and tends to be like white people, and people who have thicker hair tends to be black people, and we need heavier products and ingredients in our products. So this just didn't work for me. Again, it's called the Jvn Air Dry Cream. Now, it may have worked for other black people, I don't know. I only can share my experience, and it just didn't work for me, friends. So yep, this is a no-go for me. Okay, so the next product I'm going to show you guys, I actually did a full YouTube video on, and I absolutely hated it. This is the Morphos, if I'm saying that right, Professional Color Change. This is a hairspray, y'all. I'm gonna actually take it out the package so you guys can see. I had the purple one in the blue. I already used the purple one and I absolutely hated it. So okay, so this is how it looks right here. It's a hairspray, y'all, and you're supposed to shake it up and spray it on your hair, and it goes from green to blue or blue to green. So I'll show you guys how it looks. I was not feeling this product at all, y'all, at all. And like I said, I used the purple one. It's supposed to change the color too. So like, I think when your hair is hot or when you apply heat, like a blow dryer, it's supposed to change from like green to blue or blue to green, but it didn't work for me. I had the purple and the pink one and it did not work. So I didn't like it. So that's why this is in the no-go list. I'll have the video where I actually tried this product linked up here. I'll also tag it at the end of this video and in the description below. So if you guys want to see how hair change color spray works on your natural hair, which it does not work, you can go watch the video because it was an absolute disaster. So next up is a little bit disappointing, y'all, because I really like her. I like her. I don't really like her products. Again, like anything that's like lightweight just doesn't work for my hair, and these products that I'm about to show you guys are extremely lightweight products. That is the For You by Tia. Oh, my girl Tia. Unfortunately, I had to add these to the no-go list. The products weren't like bad. Like I said, they're lightweight products, so they're not really going to work in my natural hair. And for Tia to be, well, Tia's black and white, so she probably has a different hair texture. I don't know. For me, my thick hair, and a lot of people who reviewed the For You by Tia also said the same thing. And even on the packaging, it does say it's a little bit more of a lightweight product. So I don't know. It just didn't work for me. It didn't define my hair as I wanted it to. I used her refresh spray, which was okay. Like they were like, you know? So unfortunately, the For You by Tia is added to my no-go list, and that is because these are very lightweight products and it just didn't tame my hair how I needed it to. So these are added to the no-go list. I should have showed you guys this one when I was doing the other one. I didn't even know this was in here, but this is also Jvn. This is their Instant Recovery Serum. Child, I don't even know. I'm not like a fancy person. That's another thing. I feel like I just can't relate to this brand. It's too fancy for me, and I don't really think I liked it. It was a little bit more on like the looser and liquidy side. I didn't really like the product, and I'm just not a fancy person. Like I don't need all those fancy instant recovery serum. Like, it's probably not even that fancy. I'm probably just being dramatic, but like when I think of Jvn, I think of like fancy white people, and that's just not me. So that's why this is on the no-go list. Fancy. All right, this next one's probably gonna shock you guys. Let me just tell you guys, this is the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. I don't know, but I'm sorry, y'all. And it just didn't work for me. I like the Curlsmith products, but it's really a hit or miss. Like, I really have to treat each individual product as an individual and not as a collection. So that's why I picked this one out specifically, because a lot of people rave about this product and says how good it works in their hair. I might give it another try because honestly, it's still full. I only used it one time and I may have just had a bad experience or didn't see the results I wanted to see, but I don't think I fully gave this product a fair judgment because I only did use it like once. It's literally still full. I like Curlsmith because they are backed up by science, and I think that their labels are beautiful and very clear and easy to read. I don't know, something about this product just, it didn't capture me. You know how some products are like, oh, I need to buy that again, add that to my yes list. Like this it just didn't do it for me. Nothing bad to say, nothing good to say. I may need to just try this again. And this is the Curlsmith product, y'all. All right, y'all, we are getting down to it, friend. We talking about our no-goes. We are talking about our no-goes. If you have seen any products on the screen that I have just showed you guys and that's also added to your no-go list, or maybe vice versa, it may be a product that you absolutely love, then comment below and let me know. And also make sure you guys are following me because I talk all things natural hair on my channel. Okay, y'all, so the next product that I have here is the Naturally Happy Hair. This one actually shocked me. This is their Curl Sculpting Mousse. This product just unfortunately did not wow me. It didn't leave my hair feeling like it was going to last a few days. Like I literally put this in, let it dry, took it out. I think I did a twist out, and my hair was just too soft. Like it was very, very soft. It says it's a curl sculpting mousse, but I don't feel like it sculpted my hair very much. I have used other products from this brand. Again, they're Naturally Happy Hair. I do like their other products, but their mousse in particular, it just didn't do it for me. It didn't give me that hold that I was looking for with a mousse or a foam. Now it's not going to like hold your hair like a gel will, but it should give you some type of hold, and it just didn't do that for me. So that's why this unfortunately is added to my no-go list. All right, y'all, this is, I don't want to be mean, but like I said, I'm going to be honest with you guys, and I feel like this brand is, oh, I hate to say this because I feel like it's going to bite me in the butt one of these days, but I feel like this is kind of like the bottom of the barrel a little bit. Like not a lot of people use this product or talk about this product, and even though it's like all in Target and Walmart's. And this is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey. This is their setting lotion. As you guys can see, I used it a few times. Tried it on my hair. I got this as a PR package, and I really was not crazy about this product. I felt like it was a little sticky. I don't know if it was because of the honey that's in here or what. And then it's rating a 34 on Yuka, which is not good for you at all. And it will tell you like all the ingredients that makes it go bad as well, or that's making it a 34 out of 100. It's saying that this ingredient is poor. It didn't really work well on my hair. I feel like it left my hair a little bit sticky. I have not really used a lot of Cream of Nature products. I would like to try some more. I wouldn't mind, but this one just wasn't it for me. And I know that Cream of Nature may be popular, but I feel like they're more like bottom of the barrel. Like their products are very, very inexpensive, and sometimes inexpensive can be bad for you. It may mean that they're using like filler ingredients. I don't know. When products are cheap, like $4.99, $5.99, it just tells me that they're not using really good high quality ingredients in my personal opinion. And Cream of Nature is like that $4.99 type of product that you can buy. So if y'all want to buy it, go ahead, but you know, the price is irrelevant. But when you are paying $4.99, $5.99 for a hair product, just keep in mind that the ingredients may not be so wholesome, and in this case that's probably what it is with the Cream of Nature. So this is added to the no-go list. All right, y'all, so I have like 3 more. Hopefully you guys are hanging in there with me. If you are, just go ahead and like this video, and let's keep on moving. All right, so the next one actually surprised me. This one, it's not that it was a bad product, it's just it wasn't memorable for me. This is called the Paige Marie Soft Hold Styling Gel, and here is how the product looks. I think I used this like a year or 2 ago and I never unfortunately picked it back up. I don't remember using this product, so that's why it's in this list, unfortunately. If you're not rememberable, even though like there's a lot of competition out there when it comes to hair products nowadays, you have to be rememberable. I want to pick this up and I want to remember what hairstyle I did with it and stuff like that. Like, and I can't, even though I did this like a year or so ago, I can't remember what hairstyle I did with it, and it just wasn't a memorable product. So I may need to just pick this up and try again, but that's why I added it to the list, because I feel like if you are a hair product, you have to be memorable and remarkable, and it's hard because there's a lot of competition. So you have to do something to set yourself apart from the competition, and I just feel like the Paige Marie fell a little bit short. This product, unfortunately, and listen, y'all, a little watery in there. This is supposed to be a gel. A little watery in there. So we're just gonna put that to the side. It has been added to our no-go list. I have 2 more here with me. This one was sent to me by Sally Beauty. I am a Sally Beauty insider, and this one I will not be using on my hair, specifically because of Yuka, the app that I was telling you guys about. This is the Behind the Zone Turn Up the Heat Flat Iron Protection. I will never reach for this one because it literally rated like a 0 out of 10 on Yuka. That's the only reason I'm not going to use it, is because of the rating that Yuka gave it. I think it was a 0 out of 10. Oh no, excuse me. It was a 2 out of 10. You guys can see right there. It was a 2 out of 10. They are very, very, very bad products for you. They are cancerous products in here. They're products that will mess with your sex hormones, that affect your fertility. No. We will not be using this product. It is very important that you guys are checking within the Yuka app if the products are good or bad for you, and they'll tell you what ingredients are actually making the product bad. Y'all, Yuka needs to like pay me because I be talking about Yuka in like every video. I don't get nothing from it. Okay, let's move on to the very last product, y'all. But these have so far all been added to my no-go list, and here's the last one coming up. Okay, so this is the last one, y'all. Lord Jesus. Unfortunately, I ran into a small, teeny-weeny major problem with the brand, and I actually did an entire story time on my channel about it where I was hired to work with a brand for a few paid pieces of content, and after I submitted the content and the brand approved it and it went live, the brand actually refused to pay me. So yeah, I did a whole story time about it. I will link it up here, and I also have that video at the end of this video and in the description below if you guys want to listen to a good story time, honey. It's a good one. But yeah, this one I don't even really want to say their name because like I don't want no bad voodoo or juju on me or whatever, but I'll just show you guys what it looks like. This is the brand right here that played me, y'all, and it's sad because this product like isn't bad at all. I actually like the product, but the brand needs to go to jail. For real, like the brand needs to go sit in jail and think about what they did to me. But yes, this is the product that we're actually gonna be throwing in the trash because this is the last time you guys will ever see this brand on my page. I will not be supporting them. And like I said, I did sponsored content for them and they didn't pay me, and yes, they did sign a contract. And yeah, so if you guys want to hear, if you guys want to hear that story time, I'll have it linked on my channel. But yeah, that was just a disaster, y'all, so definitely check that out. All right, y'all, you have seen all of the products, friends, all of the products that I will not be using. I may circle back around to like 1, 2, or 3 of them just to give them another fair shot, but most of the products that I showed you guys are either trash or they just don't work for my natural hair for whatever reason. And again, this is not to bash any brand, it's just so I can keep it real with you guys and let you guys know what works in my natural hair. I pride myself in using high quality ingredients. That's why I always use the Yuka app so I can know exactly what is in my hair products that I'm putting on my hair, because you guys have to remember, your hair, you have follicles. These follicles are literally little holes that connect to the inside of you, and any products that you're putting on your hair or any ingredients, it seeps inside of you. Same with lotion, body wash, perfume. So you have to be really, really careful because your pores are open and we don't want bad ingredients seeping into our skin. So we just have to be careful with certain ingredients that we're using because it can seep into our skin. Unfortunately, some of these ingredients actually do cause cancer or other dangerous diseases as well. So just be extremely careful. Make sure you guys are using your Yuka app, and anything that's bad, it will come up and it will tell you why it's bad. And some of these ingredients actually do cause cancer or are related to carcinogens. I think I'm saying that correctly. So just be careful, be on the lookout, y'all. Lotions, shampoos, perfumes, body washes, hair products, anything that you are putting on your body, please be very careful and try to just do your research to make sure it's an actually good product. And also keep in mind, if it says it's $3.99 or $4.99, they probably are using some type of ingredients that are not good for you. They're probably using mineral oils that are not good for you. So just keep all that in mind, y'all. Comment below and let me know if you guys want to see something like this again in the future. I am sure I'm gonna have products that I don't like again in the future, and I wouldn't mind sharing those with you guys, and vice versa. I have a video of my top hair products I absolutely love, and it's like 50 hair products in that video, so I'll link that up here if you guys want to check it out and see what products that I actually do like to use. I'm not all negative all the time, negative Nancy. fancy. No, we are positive Aleia. All right, y'all, so that is the end of the video. I'm actually gonna go ahead and close out, but thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you are somebody who likes natural hair care, my name is Aleia. I try to focus on rods and roller sets and heat-free hairstyles, so if that's something that interests you, definitely give me a follow. And I'm gonna go ahead and close out, y'all, but I will catch you guys in the next one. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.